He wasn't young anymore when he dropped something on the floor, and instead of instantly picking it up, he contemplated if it was... Get out!
Oh my God, it's 10 o'clock, yeah, it's big 30. Okay, talk to me nicely. I feel so empty. Ever since you left me, this feeling, I don't know what to say. It's got me going crazy. I might just go when the sun goes down. I love it, I love it. We keep on talking, numbing all emotion. She's no phony, she's my Ronnie, yeah. Then she told me, okay, talk to me nicely. I feel so empty ever since you left me. This feeling, I don't know what to say. It's got me going crazy. I might just go when the sun goes down. I love it, I love it. We keep on talking, numbing all emotion. She's no phony, she's my Ronnie, yeah. Then she told me I'm a one and only.
Press the music one, which is Spotify.
I'm on Spotify.
Oh,
What is it?
fucking car on its side.
5.6 miles. Oh God. How the fuck has that happened?
Yeah, they f***ed the world up for so long. That show Vikings, you ever watch that show?
No, I heard it's great.
Great.
I was afraid it was going to be like, because they did like women.
Oh, they kill everything.
All right, good.
Everybody.
No, I mean like the badass, kick-ass woman characters. Yeah. They have that.
They have a couple.
That usually takes me out of a.
No, they're realistic.
Okay.
I mean, they're not like fucking up all the dudes or anything.
Yeah. The old Conor McGregor woman. I don't love it.
They announced a sequel. Is the girl in this? Oh, it's Netflix.
And the armor takes me out of it. It looks.
Why?
It's a little too Game of Thrones. You know. Show what a real Viking looked like.
What did they really look like?
It looked like shit, dude. They were like 5, 6. They were not these giant.
Well, how the fuck does the mountain come from? Where does he come from then?
They,
How you
I
get a
think they were wearing
7 foot
like
tall,
felt
350 pound
shirts.
dude?
They looked like fucking dickheads.
Look at that. They look like hobbits, dude. What is that?
I mean, that's not them.
That's not real.
That's a Ren fan. Look at that fucking kid.
Those are cosplay.